think your dog is smart? Well, you might be right. A recent study out of the University of Florida finds the average canine is capable of learning the meaning of 165 words. Dogs can also interpret human body language and also behavior and use it to their advantage, as many of us know too well. Experts compare dogs' developmental abilities to those of a 2-year-old. Who agrees with that? Somebody in this newsroom agrees that dogs are smart. You agree? This morning we are talking to Paul Sheinberg and also Alex here as well. Paul is from Pawsitive Paul's dog training, and he's going to tell us exactly what dogs are capable of. Hi, Paul. How are you?
I'm doing well. How about yourself?
Good. Thanks for bringing Alex in here with us. And, of course, Alex is a very, very smart dog. Do you think that he's capable of 165 words?
If we spent enough time with Alex, Alex would be capable of that. Right now, we're just trying to get Alex to understand that Alex is not a lion and Alex is a dog. If we can get past that, we should be okay.
According to this study, they talk a lot about body language. Do our dogs really interpret that and follow the way we move and put our arms? Is that really what they learn?
More so than most animals out there in the world. It's amazing. It really is. I mean, just a little facial tick, just a little cock of our head, they know exactly how we're feeling. In fact, so much so that if they live in a family of 4, 5, 6, 7 people, and there's one person that they know is a little bit more of a pushover, they'll stick with that person to try to get more food, more treats. Wow. They'll go over to that person much, much more than the other 6, just by watching their facial expression, watching their body language, seeing how they feel. They're masters of that.
And
experts.
You know that's true. At the dinner table, you see who the dog sits by, and that's the person who's always feeding them the scraps there. Do you think that body language, do they respond more to that, or do they respond to words better? Which one would you suggest in training?
It's a very good question, but most of the time it depends on the dog. Now, I would say the majority of them do respond to hand motions, hand gestures more than verbiage. Yeah. But they can absolutely learn both. A lot of it depends on the dog, but I do realize that most of the dogs that I train, at least, and most of the dogs that a lot of my peers train, hand motions are definitely the way to go. And a lot more consistent, because they watch every little way you move, every little tick that you have, they know.
So Alex knows right now that I love him. I think he's the best dog ever. Not the best. Hopefully my dog's not watching. All right.